Inec! 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 Ugboro ka mkpọrọ unu ugboro ịtọ. Make una take time. Make una take time, Inec. Make una take time. People are not happy. Obi adịrọ ndị mmadụ mma. The worst part when I born na Peter Obi na-eri iji. Onye wee nọmba Tinubu gbochuo ebe a ka o wee befe na-aga Tinubu. Mana ebe ọ na Tinubu na-eri iji. Onye space ọka nkụ so that ọrụ ọma ije ka ọ ghara ịchụkwudo Tinubu nwanne onye kazi mma. Inec! 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 Onye ka mkpọrọ ụnọ. Wanna do the needful. Election now, make una cancel am. Make una do what? Make una cancel am. IG result, the original result, with us. The day of the election, we send all our delegates and agents all to the polling unit. More Ajikwa now ball with motor from one polling unit to another. Now I've given them money. So may APC don't carry money give you now. But are going to give us fake results. It not gonna happen. See what did happen for Rivers. See Owerri, Imo State. See what did happen for Lagos then. Talks all the snatch ballot balls them. Now income better pass. So they're saying election a free and fair election. No be that when they come out, all the candidates go Abuja, go sign peace accord, so make everything be peaceful. So what's going to happen? Inec! 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 We're going to do the needful. Ekuzi okwa moment. Ofu bulo ofu, maya buro ole.